Day 2.
Day 2, baby.
About to go rafting off a 7-foot waterfall.
Day 2, can't stop, won't stop.
7-foot waterfall. You're the only person.
River rats.
River rats? You're getting that accent down. You're getting
River rats.
Haters gonna say it's fake.
River.
Haters gonna say it's real.
Haters gonna say
it's real.
Should we get a bruise count for today?
Okay, yeah. Where are we at now? You got your shin.
Shin.
Your forehead now. You got
I hit my forehead on the door coming into the RV.
Okay.
We got arm bruise.
Yep.
We got
elbow there. Okay.
Actually, on one of my back flips yesterday, I kind of like hyperextended my knee, and then my lower back kind of like tweaked.
Okay, last time you complained about an injury, you ended up doing really, really well. So, all right, well.
Hey guys, I'm not good at anything. Double backflip.
It's pretty hard to fall, but yeah, you can use your feet to keep like going that up and over first. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Are you ready? Sometimes. Are you ready?
Oh, hell yeah.
If you're scared for your life, can you swim? Yeah. Excellent. Don't grab them by the bowling ball grip in the top of the helmet, or the Australian nostril hooks, or the arms. If you grab someone by the arms and fall backwards, you're gonna hear a loud pop and a loud scream. You're gonna be holding a human arm. They're gonna be swimming in a circle. There's calm pools and there's rapids. You'll be in one or the other. Okay, there's a calm pool, then a rapid, then a calm pool, then a rapid. You'll know which one you're in. This is a very bad idea. And if you do this, you just might as well do this. Just end it a lot quicker. I think like that. Just hold it into your chest. You guys know we're going over a 7-meter waterfall today?
Wait, 7 meters?
7 meters.
I thought it was 7 feet.
7 feet.
Oh!
Basically the same thing.
We're a matrix. I thought it was 7 feet this whole time.
It's the tallest commercially rafted waterfall, 7 meters. A really bad idea. What can happen here is your raft can flip upside down.
Oh my god!
Pretty likely that your raft will flip upside down today. If it does, keep holding on tight to it. Are you guys ready to go whitewater rafting? Yeah!
Bruh, I thought it was 7 feet.
Bullshit, dude.
No, I seriously thought it.
I know.
That's 22 something feet.
Oh my god. Ready. Is Elton lying to us?
No, I seriously thought it was
Elton,
I'm dead.
You said 7 feet. I was like, you know what? I'm 6'3".
Yeah, that's not too bad.
That's like here.
No, I seriously, I thought we're going up a waterfall his height. Toddy, you stretching? You know your life jacket's crazy loose, right?
Los Angeles.
God, you're not all safe. I gotta make sure my baby's safe. I gotta make sure my baby is that tight? Are you tight? You're not safe. Tight. Yeah. A little bit tighter.
Grab it like this.
Yeah, let's double team him. He likes it. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
You're a really good rafting river. It was really fun. Yeah. Road shots, like, really great.
Oh, you getting a neck massage too? Oh damn.
Yeah.
Shit, look at that.
Still got one, bro.
Oh, good. What? Oh, I was missing one? I did that on purpose.
That's to get
You ready?
Oh, I'm so ready.
I'm gonna fall off so many times. Dude, 7 meters. 21 feet. Thank you. I can't even throw a football that far. Do I just jump in?
Use that device.
Put it in his mouth.
He loves it.
Yeah. Alright.
Just put it behind you in the corner.
Okay.
Like right here.
Right back here?
All the way there, yes.
All the way. Okay, cool.
Welcome on the Katuna River, guys. Yeah.
All
Did you
right.
say gracias?
We'll just practice all the commands first.
Okay.
So,
Forward. Keep going.
waterfall, the trail, guys.
This is the big one?
That's the big one. 2.5 meter high. We call it powerhouse. And then we have a little flat water, about 10 meters, and another waterfall of 1 meter. So it's pretty much back at back. Okay? We'll jump the first one, we'll get down for it, and in the middle of them, we'll jump back up, okay? We'll go for a big dance, big cheers, yeah! And we'll get down for the next one. Alright. Oh my god.
Did you say 10 meter at one point?
What?
You said 10 meter water.
There's 10 meter of flat water.
Oh, I thought he like upgraded that waterfall.
That was awesome.
This is insane.
This is ridiculous.
This is much different than the rafting that we do. We do. This is wild. Yeah.
Like no rafting like this anywhere.
We do like camp trips, like a 3-day trip.
This is insane.
Yeah, day 2, baby. You landed 24 hours ago.
Exactly, it's like longer rafting.
How you feeling, Toddy?
Love it. This is awesome.
I'm good, man.
That looks like
Holy crap!
Toddy, throw a flip. Throw a flip. Throw a flip.
I'll flip it.
You'll flip it? He's got you too. Make a cool flip.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. He's ready. Yeah! Oh, he's going for it. Okay. Ooh! To the back. I'm behind myself.
Come on, Bella! Alright, go ahead! Go! I got you!
Yeah! This is so rad. Are you ready for this, Todd? I think we're not on your boat.
What do you mean? I watched the training video and you watched it twice.
Like I told you, we'll go through a wave and we'll back paddle to stop on the side, get set up, and then to go down the waterfall.
Woo!
Forward balance. Up. Woo. Back paddle. Up.
Oh my.
Oh, that don't look so bad.
Okay. Okay, Jay.
I mean, right? Guys.
I can't even see the bottom. What the fuck?
This is gonna be it.
Once in a lifetime experience.
Unless we do it again at 12:30.
This is the last time.
This is a last in a lifetime experience, Elton. Highest rafted waterfall in the world. Just about to tick that off your list.
Yep. Didn't even know it was on there.
It's on there.
Oh yeah, tortilla! Oh yeah! Oh, 1, 2, 3!
Oh yeah, tortilla! Okay, now do you guys understand? That doesn't look like 21 feet, right?
Oh, it's big though.
That looks like 7 feet to me. That still looks like 7 feet to
I
me.
feel like your judge is a little bit off.
Bull riding. It worked! Thank God! Oh, yeah. One hand, Jay, one hand, no cheating. We have to swim the rapid.
You just missed my pee, dude.
You peed in the wetsuit?
No.
You peed? Well, okay. You couldn't hold it? Was it? That's why the water got 1 Celsius degree warmer.
You going?
Are you gonna help me up?
Probably, yeah.
Huh?
I had a lot of water go up my nose.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
This is insane. Nutty.
Oh! Oh!
Alright. I just do whatever he says, man.
Watch out, watch out!
Our guy didn't say anything. He was just like, oh yeah.
I got off.
That was insane.
That was so sick.
Oh, go up the stairs.
I'm too short to reach.
Just do what you do.
Be short.
You are really good at that.
Hey, who threw a backflip yesterday? Not you, Jay.
That's true.
Forever gonna hold that. That's my only athletic prize over you.
You did really good on that. I was surprised.
Oh, what is that supposed to mean, Jay? You can't just compliment me, huh? You have to finish it with I was surprised.
I had to throw that little caveat in.
What is about to happen?
We're about to do a backflip off this rope swing.
Oh, I've never done a rope swing my whole life. Ever.
You're
I've never done a rope swing my entire life.
So, when you go over it, make sure you don't hit that stump. And hold real high, otherwise you'll cut your feet.
See ya. What? Oh, fit. Dude, he just threw a double. Shot ever. He just threw a double. Oh. Woo! Okay, you gonna do a full trick?
I have no idea.
Yeah, it is good. Just don't hit your left and go down, you'll be sweet.
What a fail! What a big fail! I tried holding on and I just slipped off and just went straight down.
It's incredible out here.
How bad was that?
Pretty sweet. Nice and graceful.
Yeah, it's good, huh?
Boys, so I think I'm adding to the injury report.
Elton broke his finger. Damn it, Elton.
I did
never
it on,
had a dick.
I didn't even do it rafting. I did it on the rope swing.
I know.
The rope swing.
Of all things. We were done with the trip's done.
Yeah. Yep, and I yanked my finger completely sideways. Hell yeah.
Forget we're not following.